Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Dragonfly Park bringing you another YouTube video. The other day we went over tightening the belts on my flail mower here and noticed that there was a lot of build-up of grime and gunk within there. So today we're going to do what we really should have done the other day, and that's give it a good clean. To do that, we're going to start with a spray of Degreaser. We get right in there. Notice the degreaser is foaming up. That's what it's meant to do. Helps break up the residues. What I'm going to do with the pressure washer now, you can see where the degreaser has foamed, it's gone in, it's done its work. I'm going to get in here and start blasting that away. Now that's just about done it. You can see all that gunk in here is cleaned up. On the other side, all the gunk that was under where the seal was leaking has gone. And this is really good. This is something that I should have done actually at the time rather than come back later and do it, because the reason that I knew, hang on, I have missed a bit. Excuse me. There we go. The reason that I knew the seal was leaking in the first place was because I could see some build-up of dust and gunk on the machine, and that instantly indicated there was a leak there. Now it's clean again. No, the seal's been fixed, but now it's clean again. If the seal were to leak or any other leakage were to occur, we can now see it. Like a new one. This has been Andrew from Dragonfly Park. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, hit like and subscribe below, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. You can also find us on Facebook. See you next time.